What's up, guys? It's Hayden Bradley. Welcome back. We just made to Crawfordsville, Indiana for the Pro Motocross races for round 9 here at Ironman Raceway. I'm going to take you guys on the ultimate fan and press day experience using the Insta360 X5. I'm good?
Yep, I think you are.
All right. You ready to get it, bro?
Ready to go. Press day action starting right now.
All right, see you later.
Say hi to the camera.
Been looking forward to meeting you.
Hello.
How you doing, man? I've been watching you race overseas for a long time.
All right.
Let's talk about your starts in Washougal and your thoughts on how you did.
So the starts were pretty good in Washougal. We had good jumps out of the gate and pretty pumped with that.
So you're also an Insta360 athlete, and you've been using the cameras a lot, getting creative with it. Do you use it for other things like training and stuff like that?
Yeah, it was fun this year. We could use the camera for different occasions. Riding at the test track, we could go even mountain biking with it. With different type of cameras, it allows you also to get pretty cool shots with the mountain bike without even noticing that you're wearing it. So it's pretty cool. Nice trails in the back side of my house. So I use it very often.
There you go, bud. There you go, guys. Thank you. Great.
Let's get it on, North!
Before we're going to throw up the podium, shot, and cameras roll.
Thanks, Phil.
Just a moment, got a few minutes left.
Well, there you have it. What an epic time here in Crawfordsville,